Describing people. Age. Young. Middle-aged. Old. Build. Well-built. Thin. Fat. Plump. Height. Short. Medium height. Tall. Face. Round face. Oval face. Long face. Square face. Eyes. Brown eyes. Blue eyes. Slanted eyes. Small eyes. Big round eyes. Oval eyes. Wear glasses. Nose. Pointed nose. Flat nose. Hair. Short hair. Medium length hair. Long hair. Blonde hair. Curly hair. Wavy hair. Straight hair. Ponytail. Beard. Sideburns. Mustache. Bald. Skin. Light skin. Tan skin. Dark skin. What does she look like? She is tall and slim. She has short wavy black hair. What does he look like? He is short. He is wearing glasses. Thank you. See you next time.